Welcome friends. In this session, we are going to see a question related with a circle and its properties. What is our question? In a circle with the radius 13 centimeter. एक सर्कल है, उसका रेडियस दिया है हमको 13 सेंटीमीटर. This is the circle that we are drawing here in this way. This is a circle. After that, two equal chords are at a distance of 5 centimeter. दो equal chords है. One chord is this, another chord is this. और ये इनका जो distance जो दिया है, two equal chords are there. See here. The point P and D is here. See, this is the one chord. AB is the another chord. are at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड. हमको क्या निकालना है? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड. कॉर्ड की लेंथ कितनी है ये हमको आज अभी निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क. नाउ सी हियर व्हाट वी हैव गिवन. जो जो दिया है सब लिखेंगे हम अभी. वी हैव गिवन अ सर्कल विद द सेंटर P. सर्कल दिया है, उसके बाद में P in and this is the aim is here. Means we have given the perpendicular distance. PM is equal to Pn. PM is equal to Pn. And that we have given, it is equal to the 5 centimeter. After that, this is the radius now. ये देखेंगे, this is the radius. ये radius दिया है. And how it is? PM is perpendicular to the chord AB, जो हमको मालूम है. PM is perpendicular to chord AB and PN perpendicular to chord CD. We have to find out the length of the chord, that is the AB and the CD. We have to find out here length of chord. Length of chord is equal to AB is equal to CD. ये हमको निकालना है. See here. In addition to that, radius दिया है हमको. It is the PA. Radius is given. is equal to PA is equal to PD and we are given it is equal to the 13 centimeter. कितना दिया है? 13 centimeter is given. Now this is the 13 and this we know that it is a perpendicular. Now you consider the triangle PMA. Now you write here in triangle PMA. In triangle PMA, how it is? By Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. That is this is the PMA and this is the right angle triangle. And PMA is the 90 degree. 90 degree के सामने में कैसा रहता है? Hypotenuse रहता है. Means the longest side of that the right angle triangle. So it is the PA square. E is equal to PM square E is equal plus of AM square. So it is the application of Pythagoras theorem. So it is the Pythagoras theorem that we have applied here. So it is PA square means 13 square. E is equal to PM square, that is a 5 square, plus of AM square, that we have to find out at first. Now square कीजिए यहाँ, make the square. 13 square, it is 169. E is equal to 5 square 25 plus of AM square. ट्रांसफर कीजिए यहाँ, so we'll get the value here 169 minus 25 is equal to AM square. Make the subtraction, it will be here 144 is equal to AM square. So taking the square root on both side, दोनों भी जगह पर square root लेंगे हम. Taking the square root, so it will here 12 is equal to, this square is here, it is a AM. तो हमको कितना मिल गया अभी, AM that we got it here. AM is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, we got here AM is equal to 12 centimeter. And we know that AM is the half of AB. AM is equal to half of AB. E is equal to half of AB. क्योंकि हमको मालूम है कि परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल टू द कॉर्ड बाइसेक्ट कॉर्ड, ये हमको मालूम है. दिस इज द वन प्रॉपर्टी. Drawn from center to the chord chord bisect chord. This is the property that we know it. So you place the value here. See here, AM. What is AM that we have calculated here just? So place the value here. AM is equal to half of AB. AM की वैल्यू है हमारे पास में, इट इज द 12. E is equal to half of AB. Make the cross multiplication. It will be here 24 centimeter. Therefore, AM is equal to 24 centimeter. AM is equal to 24 centimeter. Sorry, it should be AB is here. यहाँ कितना चाहिए, AB चाहिए. This should be the AB. Make the cross multiplication. We'll get here AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Means we got the length of the chord. अभी हमको मालूम है कि AB, what is the AB? Both are the equal. AB and the CD. AB and CD, they are the equal. हमको दिया है उन्होंने कि these chords are equal. Therefore, the length of chord is equal to AB, is equal to CD, is equal to 24 centimeter. Now you see next question. This is the figure we are given. हमको figure दिए गया है. And in that figure, see the center of the circle. See the center. QT is the diameter. This is the diameter is given. This is the point Q. QT is the diameter. And CT is equal to 13. CT we are given. See here. CT is equal to 13. Means the radius is given. This is 13. So it will also be equal to the 13 centimeter. And CP is equal to 5. CP कितना दिया है? 5 दिया है. CP 5. CR is equal to 13. Means we have to find out the value of this. Find out the length of the chord RS. ये chord हमको निकालना है. Now जो दिया है हम लिखेंगे यहाँ. We are given the radius. हमको रेडियस दिया उन्होंने. We are writing here radius of a circle. E is equal to, it is equal to 13 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स क्या क्या दिया है? सी टी इज इक्वल टू सी आर, ये दिया है हमको दिस. आफ्टर दैट सी पी इज गिवन. मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज गिवन फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड. सी पी इज गिवन, दैट इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. That is the CP is given. It is equal to 5 centimeter. After that we have to find out the value of RP. हमको क्या निकालना है? RP निकालना है. We have to find out the value of RP. Now consider the triangle. But before that you write here the CP is perpendicular to the RS. ये भी हमको दिया है उन्होंने. CP is also perpendicular to the RS, क्योंकि हमको मालूम रहता है कि परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज गिवन एंड परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड बाइसेक्ट कॉर्ड. ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी हमको इस्तेमाल करनी है फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड. सी हियर इन ट्रायंगल, दिस राइट एंगल, in triangle CPR, consider here CPR, this is the right angle triangle and the CR square E is equal to, how it is, CP square plus of RP square. We have applied the Pythagoras theorem. It is the CR square. We are given, place the value, that is 13 square. E is equal to CP square. We are given 5. Square plus of RP square. So square it is 169. E is equal to 25 plus of RP square. Transfer this, it is 169 minus of 25 is equal to RP square. It is equal to 144 is equal to RP square. taking the square root on both sides, it is a 12 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू आर पी, जो हमको मिला है. वी गॉट द वैल्यू, इट इज इक्वल टू आर पी की वैल्यू हमको मिली है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड. सो वी नो दैट दिस आर पी इज हाफ ऑफ आर एस. Right here, RP is half of RS. RP जो हमने अभी निकाला, इट इज द 12 इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ RS. Make the cross multiplication, therefore RS is equal to 24 सेंटीमीटर, जो हमको निकालने के लिए बताया था. Therefore the length of chord is equal to RS is equal to 24 सेंटीमीटर. R is equal to 24 centimeter. Now see the next question. Here we are given the figure, and in that CD is the diameter. CD कैसा दिया है? It is the diameter is given. After that, diameter CD is perpendicular to the chord AB. रेडियस परपेंडिकुलर है, तो डायमीटर जो है ये भी यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर दी है. शो दैट ट्रायंगल ABC इज एन आइसोसेलियस ट्रायंगल. ये हमको प्रूव करना है. ट्रायंगल ABC इज एन आइसोसेलियस ट्रायंगल. तो हम जो दिया है सब लिखेंगे अभी प्रूफ में. डायमीटर CD, यू टू राइट ऑल द गिवन क्वांटिटीज. is perpendicular to chord AB. It is given, दिया है हमको. After that, segment OE is perpendicular to chord AB. कॉर्ड जो है सेगमेंट ओ इज परपेंडिकुलर टू कॉर्ड ए बी. देयरफॉर जो प्रॉपर्टी है हमारी परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ड्रॉन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड बायसेक्ट कॉर्ड, दैट विल बी एप्लीकेबल हियर. देयरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू बी ई. And perpendicular, you can write the reason here, the property. So what is the property here? Perpendicular distance drawn from center to the chord bisect chord. So this is equal to this. ये bisect कर रहा है. Now you consider the triangle AEC and BEC. Consider the two triangle AEC. परपेंडिकुलर है ये. इन ट्रायंगल AEC, कंसिडर द ट्रायंगल. एंड ट्रायंगल BEC. We are considering these two triangle AEC and BEC. In that side CE is common, means side CE is congruent with side CE. It is the common side. After that, AEC angle is equal to angle BEC. It is equal to the 90. Each is 90. And the side AE, you can write the reason here. Statement number 1. That will be useful here. And side AE is congruent with side BE. That is from 1. Therefore, the triangle AEC is congruent with the triangle BEC. It is by which test? It is by ACS test of the congruency. It is by ACS test. Therefore, triangle, ये ट्रायंगल जो रहेगा, it means that, इसका मतलब क्या है कि these two triangles are congruent. It means that its sides are in the sides are the congruent, means corresponding sides are congruent, corresponding angles are congruent, means बचे हुए sides, बचे हुए angles ये सभी के सभी congruent रहेंगे. Means we can say that the side CA, it means that side CA is congruent with side CB. You can write here the CACT, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. दो साइड, जिस ट्रायंगल में दो साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? आइसोसेलियस ट्रायंगल. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now you see here the next question, which is also very important. Concentric circles are given. We know that how it is concentric circle. Concentric circle कैसा रहता है? The circles having the same center, जिसका center जो रहता है same रहता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Concentric circle. Here we are given to concentric circles are given, and we have to prove it. AP is equal to BQ. All the information that we are given, so you write here. To prove that, ये प्रूव करना है हमको. AP is equal to QB. एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन, यू मेक द कंस्ट्रक्शन हियर. ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM, ये हमको निकालना है. पहले दिया नहीं था. वी आर ड्रॉन हियर. ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM. perpendicular to chord AB. This is chord AB. After that, after drawing the chord, what will happen? It will be the M lies between A and B. This implies that, इसका मतलब क्या है? M lies between A and B. So start the proof now. इन स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल, इन स्मॉलर सर्कल, छोटा वाला सर्कल कंसीडर कीजिए अभी. इन स्मॉलर सर्कल, segment OM perpendicular to chord AB. Segment OM perpendicular to chord PQ. सेगमेंट ओ एम परपेंडिकुलर टू द कॉर्ड पी क्यू, दैट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन जो हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था. यू कैन राइट द रीजन हियर कंस्ट्रक्शन. आफ्टर दैट पी एम इज इक्वल टू एम क्यू, जो हमको प्रॉपर्टी मालूम है, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज परपेंडिकुलर दैट वी हैव ड्रॉन हियर. सो व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, पी एम इज इक्वल टू एम क्यू. पी एम इज इक्वल टू एम क्यू इज देयर. ये है परपेंडिकुलर एंड दिस इज द कॉर्ड. तो हमको मालूम है कि दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस एज पर द प्रॉपर्टी. कॉल इट द स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1. यू कैन राइट द प्रॉपर्टी हियर. राइट द प्रॉपर्टी. So this is the property here. PM is equal to MQ. Perpendicular distance drawn from center to the chord by set chord. In the bigger circle, जैसे छोटे में हमने किया है, in the same way. In the bigger circle, segment OM, बड़े वाले सर्कल में क्या, सेगमेंट ओ एम इज परपेंडिकुलर टू कॉर्ड ए बी. परपेंडिकुलर टू द कॉर्ड ए बी. इट मीन्स दैट ए एम is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB is here. In the same way, you can write the reason here. Chord equation number 2, statement number 2, and this is the chord is same reason you have to write here. Now see here, AM is equal to MB that we have just seen here. We have drawn here. AM is equal to MB that we are written according to this property. So we are writing here AM को कैसे लिख रहे हैं हम, it is AP plus PM. MB को कैसे लिख रहे हैं, this is the MB को कैसे लिख रहे हैं, MQ plus QB that we are written. Now see here, PM is equal to MQ that we know it from the statement number 1. तो PM की जगह क्या लिखेंगे हम, MQ लिखेंगे. So right here AP plus MQ is equal to MQ plus of QB. MQ they are on the both side, gets cancelled, therefore AP is equal to QB. यही हमको प्रूव करना था. नाउ सी हियर, ये हमको प्रूव करना, दैट वी हैव प्रूव्ड हियर. स्टूडेंट्स, if you have any type of the question related with this, you can ask me in a comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will get the newly updated videos. Thank you very much.